Hello everyone, this is my new island in my balcony. I made it all by myself. I made it with flowers, plants, and the goddess plant, and I made this beautiful tree. And you know this yellow leaf? It looks like kind of like a tree. I'll show you where it came from. It is this one. This in the corner with the rope and this one. And this is my white cat. When it's too windy, this will get up and fly. It's a grass. So you can make your own island like this in your balcony too. If your flower pot is empty with it, you can make it like this too. If you want. Now, bye bye. If you like it, like and subscribe. And if you like it, if you don't like it, comment down below. I mean, dislike it.